Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to set Safari as default browser instead of Google Chrome on iPhone in just a few easy steps. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Change your default web browser. Step 2. Change your default search engine. Let us get started. Step number 1. Change your default web browser. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on Apps. In the list of apps, find the Safari app, then tap on it. Inside Safari settings, look for the default browser app. Tap it, and you'll see a list of browsers installed on your phone. Now simply select Safari to make it your default browser, so all links will automatically open in Safari instead of Chrome. Step number 2. Change your default search engine. While you are still in Safari settings, look for the search engine option and tap it. Here, you'll find several choices like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. Choose the one that fits your preference best. For example, DuckDuckGo for privacy or Google for familiar results. From now on, whenever you type a query in Safari's search bar, it will use your chosen search engine to show results. And that's it. You have successfully set Safari default browser instead of Google Chrome on iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for educational purposes only. The steps shown are based on publicly available iPhone settings and features. Settings and options may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated on Apple and is not responsible for any changes, errors, or issues that may occur as a result of following this tutorial. Always ensure your device is updated and settings are adjusted according to your personal preferences. And hey, if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick iPhone tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.